Receiver pass to number 4. Pass and toss, ilalim. 2-3. Pointer. Basket builder. Number 30. One big one, graduate ka na sir. 13 foul. Tignan natin ang pangalawa, jumper ready. Okay, wala. Sabay na muna. Nasusunod. Okay, dalawa. Good. Okay, meron tayong foul number. Sabay mo na mo, sir. 8 up. 30 out. 30 out. Warning for penalty. Dalawa na. 30 out. Number 55-52. Wala pong kalawa, rebound number 40. Sa pagkakalan po na 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Sumaksak na number 40. Average now, number 54-55. First contact, first team foul. Bonus shot is wala, short, rebound, number 4 Zawa, happy sa Silva. Sino na ball, 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Sumaksak ng third down, sa Howard, go! 57-54, tatlo pa ang naman ng solid one, number 22 Oralde. Oralde, Diniscarte. Oralde, 40 on the shot clock, magiging 40, Raliza. Rise in the Binawan, blue ball. And Walter, Bata blue. Pass the receiver, Bata kay jersey number 1. Or na ngayon. Or pa rin. Pass sa ilalim. Blue ball number 2, Reyes of Zawal. Nakalasad na. Inama. Pukal. Wala. Bring on again. Yee! 59-54. Abante sa liman. Number 2. It's 22. 22 ngayon, 22 rin. Sandin putting in a pointer. Basket is good for 2 points. 56-59, 6 minutes and 21. Number 2-3. Passing to number 52. Balik. 6-16 in Boulder. Receiver. 22. Steal up the lover. 22 ngayon ang Titi Score. Pass sa kay number 2, San Jose. Passing and song, Orlandino. Sa boss. Dos lang yan, sir. Dos lang po yun. 58-59. Isa pa ang lamangan solid one. Dos lang yan. Isa pa ang lamangan solid one. Number 4, Silva. Silva Pinama. Pinama enters the same ball as been black. And Boulder out of blue. Number 4, pouring on the shot clock in Boulder. And number 4, Silva. Boss. May hawak na yan, sir. Call on number 8. Tatlo na penalty po. Penalty ref. Dalawa lang yan. Set in the ball back between the Orate. Orate set in the play. Drives off. Pinaka ball ball. Dapat ginawa si number 2-3. Pass to jersey number 55. 55 pass to number 4 si Silva. Silva number 1 na ang bola. Nagpapagaling na. Nagpapagaling na pa na the back to Penoy. 55 naman. Pinama. And there's the foul. And number 2. Tatlo na sa San Jose. ball. Good. Jumper ready. Sixty-two, 58. Pass it, setting the ball, number 18. 18 pounds long. Pass to get number 2-3. Look at the CB, 14 on the shot clock. Pass up. Price, and a pass again, number 2-3, Boyer. Long three. Huge for 3 points. 61-62. Isa pa naman, solid one. Someone to number 2. Same line cross again to number 55 Pinoy. And now a Boyer. Basket is good. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Dapat ganun lang ang bakit niya rin eh. Kasi,
Cross to Sabiano. Long three. Pinabayaan. Wala rebound. Black ball pa rin. Ito si Pasha Pot. Target number 2-3. Long tails. No. Now pass.
Di ba nagdiretso?
Zero minute 52. 52 and 52 man. Send it play across the receiver. 50 on the shot clock. Silva sending the ball. Grimes in and down. 15 seconds. Center Boyer. Huge. Time out, ref.
pwede.
Sige, wala tayong time out. Wala tayong time out. Blue yung wala yung paper shirt. Wala ako sa inyo. Sige, go tayo. Comedy sport tayo. Comedy sport tayo.
Score!
Akala ko blue yung ay black yung nagpapatay mo.
Sorry, stay.
60 yun sir, 66-61. Comedy sport tayo dun sa kanina. Number 2. Pass it 4 minutes and forward. Look at the CP. Neck at number 18. As for long three. Yes sir. Connect. 64-66. Isa ba yan? Di ba time out ka ba? O cancel? Okay sir. Okay. Time out rep. Blue.